Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. So in today's video, we're going to cover a very simple method to uninstall Microsoft Office using their support tool, which you can download and set up within just a few minutes. Now, if you're interested in purchasing your own copy of Microsoft Office or other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll have all the links down in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now this tool is going to work for you whether you have Windows 10, 11, Windows 8, and it should also work regardless of what version of Office you currently have installed. So the first step in this video is to navigate to this link right here. We'll put it up on the screen for you guys. So once we're here, we're just going to scroll down. By default, it's going to look just like this here, and we're going to drop down on this arrow, and then we're going to press the blue download button. Okay, and it downloaded very quickly, so I'll press open file. And then once you've opened the file after it's finished downloading, we have a quick setup wizard. So it's gonna look like this. We're just gonna press install and we'll let this load. And the next thing you'll see is an agreement right here. So we'll just press I agree. And now as you can see, by default, it's installed here on my desktop. We can see the Microsoft support application. I'm gonna double click to open this. And then here we're gonna have a selector and it'll give us various options. So we're gonna click Office and Apps and press next. And then for my choices here, I'm gonna pick the third one, which says I have Office installed, but I'm having trouble uninstalling it. And I'll just press next again. And we'll select yes, this is the affected machine. And then here, we're just gonna choose exactly what we wanna uninstall. In my case, I just have Office products as an option. So I'll click that, make sure that box is checked, and then we'll press next. And now it's asking if we have all of our work saved. So if you were working on anything in Excel or Word or any other applications, check to make sure that your latest progress was saved before you go ahead and uninstall the software. So I'm good to go here, and I'm gonna make sure this is checked and then press next. And it's gonna prompt us to restart the computer. So we'll go ahead and do that. And then for this pop-up right here, we're gonna select yes. Okay, so it automatically restarted the Assistant application. And right now it's just uninstalling Office for me. So I'll skip to when this is all complete. Okay, so once the application has finished uninstalling Office entirely, at this point you'll have to go ahead and actually restart your computer. So we'll press this restart button here and we'll let it do its thing. So we'll press close and I'll see you guys in just a minute. All right, so I'm back in my computer and it's asking us here whether or not we want to reinstall Office. For right now, I'm gonna select no. But if you wanted to install a specific version of Office right here, you could just click one of these and follow along. All right, and then just to show you guys that Office is no longer a part of my computer, I'll search Microsoft and you can see these are on my actual Mac computer, so this isn't here on the Windows. And all I have is Teams. So the uninstall was successful and it only took just a few clicks. All right, so that's gonna do it for today's video. If you guys found it helpful, we would really appreciate a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment. And if you have any video topics you want us to cover or questions, drop those in the comment section below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Again, if you're interested in purchasing Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll have all the links down in the description below. So we thank you for watching and we'll see you guys in the next video.